know that most millionaires started with very little money? It's true. You don't need to be rich to get rich. You can start small. Even with just $500, you can begin your journey to financial freedom. Think of it like planting a seed. That seed can grow into a mighty tree. Many people think they need a lot of money to invest. This is just not true. You can start small and watch your money grow. It's like magic, but it's real. With patience and smart choices, you can grow your wealth over time. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about making your money work for you. It's about building a better future, one step at a time. And it all starts with that first $500 seed. Let's get one thing straight. You don't need a mountain of cash to start investing. That's right. Forget those fancy commercials showing people with briefcases full of money. You can start building your financial future with just $500. The biggest obstacle to investing isn't lack of money, it's fear. Fear of the unknown, fear of making a mistake. But you know what? Everyone makes mistakes. The key is to learn from them. There are so many resources available today that make investing accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. There are apps, websites, and even financial advisors who can help you every step of the way. So, ditch the myth that investing is only for the wealthy. Take that $500, take a deep breath, and let's explore the exciting world of investing. Now that you're ready to invest, let's look at where you can plant your $500 seed. Investing is like planting a seed. With the right care and choices, it can grow into something substantial. There are many options out there, each with its own pros and cons. It's important to understand these options to make informed decisions. First up, we have the stock market. This is one of the most popular investment avenues. It's like a bustling city, full of opportunities. The stock market is dynamic and ever-changing, offering a plethora of investment choices. You can buy pieces of big companies like Apple or Amazon. Owning stocks in these companies means you own a part of their success. The stock market can be volatile, but it also offers the potential for high returns. This means prices can go up and down quickly, but with the right strategy, you can benefit from these fluctuations. Next, we have ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are becoming increasingly popular among investors. Think of these like baskets of stocks. Each ETF holds a collection of different stocks which can help spread out your risk. They offer diversification, which means you're spreading your risk across multiple companies. This can help protect your investment from the poor performance of a single stock. ETFs are a great option for beginners because they're easy to understand and manage. They provide a simple way to invest in a broad range of assets without needing to pick individual stocks. Finally, we have the good old savings account. This is the most traditional and straightforward way to save money. It's like a safe and cozy haven for your money. Savings accounts are secure and offer peace of mind. While it may not offer the highest returns, it's a low-risk option that allows your money to grow slowly and steadily. This makes it a great choice for those who prefer stability over high returns. The stock market can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Think of it like a garden. You plant seeds, buy stocks, nurture them, research and monitor your investments, and watch them grow, hopefully. With $500, you can start by buying fractional shares of companies you believe in. It's like owning a tiny piece of a giant pie. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk. The value of your investments can go up or down. Do your research, read about different companies, and choose wisely. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different sectors and industries. Remember, patience is key in the stock market garden. Just like a plant takes time to grow, so do your investments. Stay informed, stay patient, and watch your $500 flourish. Section 5. ETF Forest, diversifying your financial ecosystem. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like a diverse forest, offering a wide variety of investment options. They're like baskets of stocks, bonds, or other assets bundled together into a single investment. With $500, you can invest in ETFs that track specific sectors, like technology or healthcare. You can also invest in ETFs that track the entire stock market, providing broad diversification. ETFs are a great option for beginners because they offer instant diversification and are generally less volatile than individual stocks. They're also very liquid, meaning you can easily buy and sell them on the stock exchange. Just like in a forest, diversification is key in the world of ETFs. By spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes, you can minimize risk and maximize your potential for growth. Section 6. The Savings Account Pond, a safe haven for your seed. While the stock market and ETFs offer the potential for higher returns, the savings account remains a safe and reliable option for your $500 seed. It's a place where your money can rest without the volatility of the market. Think of it like a peaceful pond, where your money can rest and grow slowly but steadily. Just as a pond provides a serene environment for life to flourish, a savings account offers a stable environment for your money to grow. While the interest rates may not be as high as other investment options, your money is FDIC insured, meaning it's protected up to a certain amount. This insurance provides a safety net, ensuring that your hard-earned money is secure. A savings account is a great option for short-term goals, like saving for a down payment on a car or a dream vacation. It allows you to set aside money for specific purposes without the risk of losing it. It's also a good place to keep your emergency fund, so you have easy access to cash in case of unexpected expenses. Emergencies can happen at any time, and having a readily accessible fund can provide peace of mind. While the returns may be modest, the peace of mind that comes with a savings account is invaluable. Knowing that your money is safe and accessible can relieve financial stress and help you sleep better at night. It's a safe haven for your money, allowing it to grow steadily while you explore other investment opportunities. This steady growth can serve as a foundation for your financial future, giving you the confidence to take on other investments. Section 7. From Seed to Success, a real-life $500 transformation. Meet Sarah, a young professional who decided to take control of her finances. She started with just $500, investing it in a low-cost index fund that tracked the S&P 500. Over time, Sarah consistently contributed to her investment account, even if it was just a small amount each month. She reinvested her dividends, taking advantage of the power of compounding. Years later, Sarah's $500 seed had blossomed into a substantial investment portfolio. She was able to achieve her financial goals, including buying her dream home and retiring early. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of patience, consistency, and smart investing. It shows that you don't need a lot of money to start building wealth. All you need is a plan, discipline, and the willingness to start small. Section 8. Cultivating your wealth. Actionable steps to financial growth. So, you're ready to embark on your wealth-building journey with just $500? That's a great start. Many people think they need thousands to begin, but starting small can be just as effective. Fantastic. Here are some actionable steps to get you started on the right path. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Learn the basics of investing, understand different investment options, and familiarize yourself with financial terminology. Research potential investments thoroughly. Look into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other assets. 2. Set clear goals. What are your financial aspirations? Having a clear vision will guide your investment strategy. Define your short-term and long-term goals to stay focused and motivated. Whether it's buying a house, saving for retirement, or building an emergency fund, clarity is key. 3. Start small, think big. Remember, you don't need a fortune to begin investing. Small, consistent contributions can grow significantly over time. Start with $500 and gradually increase your contributions over time. Even small amounts can make a big difference. Consistency is crucial. Make it a habit to invest regularly, even if it's just a small amount each month. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps spread risk and can lead to more stable returns. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. 5. Be patient and consistent. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent with your contributions, and let time work its magic. Regular contributions, no matter how small, can grow significantly over time. Patience is key to seeing your investments flourish. And let time work its magic. The power of compounding can turn small investments into substantial wealth over the years. Now, go out there and plant your $500 seed. Just like a plant, your investments need time and care to grow. Watch it grow, nurture it, and be patient. The results will be worth the wait. And witness the incredible power of compounding. Over time, your investments can grow exponentially. Your future self will thank you. Imagine the financial freedom and security you'll achieve. What are your thoughts on starting small? Share your comments below and let's continue this conversation. Engaging with others can provide new insights and motivation. For more investment tips and tricks, check out our website. We have a wealth of resources to help you on your journey. And follow us on social media. Stay updated with the latest financial news and tips.